Life is one big fight.
Exclusive.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make money during quarantine. Staying at home lockdown doesn't stop you from earning. There are hundreds of ways to do that, especially when you have a laptop or a smartphone. Firstly, online tutor. You can be an online tutor. Some people would be like, I don't know how to teach or even what to teach. I want you to know that you are not empty. There are potentials and you just chill and bring it on. Make a video on it and get paid for it. Graduate or non-graduate, no problem. Go to Play Store and download this app. Sign up as a tutor, post your videos and get paid. Secondly, YouTube. You can use YouTube to earn money. A big-time YouTuber is richer than some civil servant. First thing you need to do is sit down and think of what you know how to do best. Then make video on it. Then create a channel. Monetize it, then publish the video on your channel. In my next video I'll show you how to create a channel and how to monetize it. I see you don't want to miss it. Then click the bell button. Another way to make money is online sales. Here's how to do it. First, buy from foreign producer. Example through Alibaba. Alibaba is an online market where you can buy directly from the producer at a very cheap rate. If you can buy from Alibaba, then you sell them through another online market, like Amazon. Seriously, you're gonna make money, because the product you buy from Alibaba can be sold on Amazon with at least 10% profit. Unfortunately, Amazon don't permit sellers from some part of the world. No fear, you can still sell on apps like Gigi, OLX, Konga, and so on. Just add a reasonable profit. Here is my favorite way to make money online. I introduce to you my powerful PicoWorker. PicoWorker is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with customers who need other people to help them support their online business. Here's how to do it. First, go to Play Store or click on the download link below to get PicoWorker. Sign up, then you apply for jobs such as visiting a website. Don't worry, instruction will be given to you on how to do the job. After doing the job you get credited, then you cash out through cryptocurrency. You can convert it to Bitcoin or anything. Probably in one of my next videos I will show you how to do that. If you have any difficulties in doing any of the above, drop a comment about it. I'll help you out. I hope you find the video useful. If yes, please click the like button, and please subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks.